Let's see another bits related problem from LeetCode. It's reverse bits. So in this case we have a number given, and for this number there is the bits here, and we need to reverse this bits. So we can have like different approaches to do this, and before proceeding with any approach, I think like it will be good if you can go to my channel, and here you can search bit, and then you can find number of 1 bits. So you can go through this video and you can get most of the ideas related to bits, and then we can come here. So one of the way can be, we can get this num, and Golang, it's easily we can find the bits for this number, or in a Java we can use a library and we can get the bits. So once we get the bits, then reverse the bits. Easily we can reverse the bits, and then again we can convert that bits to the num and return that. So that can be one of the possible way, but today I'm going to use OR operator and AND operator, and using that I'm going to solve this problem. So and OR, that is bitwise and bitwise OR operator. So let's understand this problem first, how I will solve, and then we'll write the code. So here I have prepared one example. So this is the number. So this is the number, it's a 1, and for the 1 this is the binary representation, and I want to put this 1 here in the beginning, and this is a 32 bits int. Okay, so in this case, I want to reverse this, and once I put this 1 here, then this number becomes this. So how shall we proceed for this? So I will create the mask first. I have given idea of this mask in this video, so you can go here and check for that. But I will create the mask, and the first time when I create the mask for the number 1, I will move this one, because initially if I say the 1, that means it's a 0 0 0 and 1. That's so like this number will be like this. Then I move this to 32 bits left. So when I move this to 32 bits left, then this 1 comes here, and that's the mask, and this is our number 1. So with this bit I do the AND operation, 1 and 0, and when I do the AND operation I will get the 0. So in the next time what I do, I will shift that that's 1 to the left side, and this time it's like first time I shifted left, it's like 31, then 30 and 29 like this. So next time like 1 comes here, and again I do 1 and 0, and I will get the 0. In the similar way, I will come to this place and I will shift 1 with the 0 in the left side, then 1 will be there itself, and this is our num. And as soon as I find the 1 first one, then I know, okay, I need to put this in the beginning. So I'll also maintain another mask also, where in this case initially the mask was 0, but as soon as I was moving this side, I also increased the mask value, or another mask. I will maintain another mask, and then I will keep shifting left here. Here also I'm shifting left, but then shifting left, then again coming through this right side, and here I'm shifting left and coming to this left side. So in this case, as soon as I get 1 here, then I see that okay, there is a 1. I find the 1, then I will go and I'll use another mask, and then I can put this 1 here in the mask. So in another mask I will shift this by, it's a 31 here, and in this case there will be the reverse number, and for the reverse number I will get 1 and 0, and I will set this value 1. So I will use the OR operation, and when I use the OR operation, then it will set to 1. So let me write the code, and then we'll come back, and then it will make sense a lot here. Okay, so here let me maintain one reverse is 0, and that's what I want to return. So this, I can say reverse, and the type is even 32, and this one I want to return at the end. I'll set I is equal to 31 and I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus, and there will be mask, and in this mask I will shift 1 left and I. So the first time, the in a 1 I'm shifting left side by 31. So in this example, first I will shift this by 31. So that's a mask, and in this mask I shifted by 31 1. So this is here, and then I will check if mask and this our num is not 0. If there is a 1 1, it's not 0. Then in this case we need to set that value in a reverse. So for that I will also maintain mask 2. Mask 2 here, and then in a mask 2 I will create one variable int j is equal to 0 and 1, and left shift by j, and j will be incremented. So we'll keep shifting. First I shifted I by this 31 here, so the 1, and in our actual number 10, it's not 1, but it slowly goes decrementing, but j is incrementing. So as soon as we find this situation 1 1, in that time j will be 31. So in this case, if mask and num not equal to 0, then here I can do reverse is equal to mask 2 or operator, and I can use the j, and then I can return this reverse. Let's run this, see for the syntax error. Okay, so I'm using this colon equal, so I do not have to have that. If mask and num invalid operation, so mask is 1, let's if num and mask, so let me wrap this with a curly bracket. Mask not equal to 0, num and mask. num mismatch type int 32. This mask, okay, that's fine. We do not need this, but this type we need to define for this mask. So let's say mask give int 32 here, and then like this, j also say var give int 32, mask 2, okay, it's done. Reverse mask 2 and j, invalid operation mask 2, mask 2 here also we need int 32, so reverse okay, so this one reverse or mask 2, accept it and submit. So that's the very easy solutions here. So we found here. So in this case we can just again check when this I will be 0, when you're decrementing and it's 0, then in this case this mask will be 1, and with the 1 and this match happened, so that's the condition checking here, if mask and num not equal to 0. And in this case we have the reverse, and we have already prepared the mask 2, and the mask 2 in this time the j value is 31, then we shifted 31 here, and that's the mask, and this 0 1 0, and we did the OR operation and we set to the 1. So that's all for now. Thank you.